of some sort of pain. You caused a permanent stain, which has determined your fate. I've never seen so clear, I feel the end and it's near. The day of reckoning's here, the sound of deafening fear.
You won't die if you try, you just might get a little bit of trouble, K-N-I-F-E, right in your side, you would never see me coming. You won't die if you try, you just might get a little bit of trouble, K-N-I-F-E, right in your side, you would never see me
My
coming.
energy is next level, so damn you better be careful. I got an angel and devil, he snaps me straight in the temple. I'm ready to be a rebel, I've got a lot of potential hidden inside of this vessel. That shit is so exponential. I need a first class ticket to the top, no limit. I don't play no gimmicks, I'ma take you to the clinic. If you want a taste, come at me and you will be replaced. They won't find a trace of you anywhere or any place.
You won't die if you try, you just might get a little bit of trouble, K-N-I-F-E, right in your side, you would never see me coming. You won't die if you try, you just might get a little bit of trouble, K-N-I-F-E, right in your side, you would never see me coming.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Just popped out to a local Autobarn meet, so pretty good crowd, plenty of cars, so check it out. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Been a little bit quiet this week. A few things going on and the weather hasn't been the best. The H is apart, gearbox gets sorted, should get back this week, and yeah, hopefully plenty on next weekend. Thanks for watching, don't forget, like and subscribe. Okay guys, we'll have a bit of a wander around, see what's here. Hey buddy, how are you? How are you? Good man. Obviously have to pop some music over this guys just to avoid copyright and so on and so forth. Take me back to my era. Not gonna lie. So yeah, Autobarn's actually open for this event, so that's pretty cool. Bit of late night shopping while you're wandering around having a look at some cars. Good little night out. Plenty to do, plenty to see. Weather's been a bit average, so take it where we can get it at the moment, I guess. yeah, worth getting out of the house for, coming for a bit of a look. It's yeah, been a very quiet week, so, well, quiet in the car scene for the channel anyway. Plenty of other stuff going on. So yeah, hopefully we'll get the gearbox back this week, get it in, upgrading the fuel system as well, so making a few little changes, and hopefully we'll head back out and get some more PBs. So I want to crack that 5 over the 8, and yeah, we'll go from there.
Shout out to all the sponsors. Thank you so much. Don't forget, guys, support the people who are supporting me. These guys and their help allow me to get to more events and get you the footage you enjoy watching. So if you're looking for a service that they provide, hit them up. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you've made it this far, and share your favourite video around to your mates. Much appreciated, guys. Also have merch available. Link in the description. $50 a shirt, $10 postage. We'll see you on the next one.